All right, hi everybody, Happy New Year. First, I have to apologize. It's been a few weeks since I made my last video, but I have not been idle. I want you to take a look. That is a fresh paint job, and I redid the entire, I actually pulled everything out of here. I put in a vinyl flooring. I changed the lighting and the layout to try to make this a little bit nicer for all of you and me. The other thing that I was doing was working on building out some plans, and I have some big announcements coming up. But I actually was looking, I'm getting pretty close to the 40 micro-learning videos for reaching 4,000 subscribers. Although at the rate it's going, I might have to add 10 more to get to 50 when I get to 5,000 here pretty soon. So I wanted to add a new micro-learning video for all of you related to Microsoft Outlook contacts, because I think there's these two buttons inside of contacts that you've probably looked at a million times and you've maybe never clicked on, and you might want to start clicking on them. Let me get in and show you what I mean. So let's pop out of here, and I'm going to actually go into my open contact of me. Now, first thing I wanted to show you is, hey, look, nice looking guy right there. Notice that you can actually come up and add a picture now, and it doesn't have to be your contact. Let me give you a little tip. You probably know about both the snipping tool and Snip and Sketch. So this is a little bonus tip. You can just start coming down here into your Windows and start typing SNI, and you'll see snipping tool, Snip and Sketch. They both allow you to do screenshot captures. And so like I could do a snipping tool right now and do a new, and hold on, let's see if it'll let me, oh, it won't let me do it onto the video, but I could do it up right here. And the reason I'm showing you this, it grabs a picture. You can then do file, save as, and save it as a picture file somewhere on your PC. But you could use those tools to go grab a picture of a contact off of their LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram posting. That way, if you're like me and you're a little better with faces than names, you can put the face with the names now, and that might help you. That's just a bonus tip. That's not even the tip. But hey, remember, you might want to think about that too, that people could be doing that to your contacts now. The two buttons, though, that I want to show you inside of here. Number one, see right here, this is general. And this is where most people sort of put in the stuff they want to put in. But notice right next to it is this button called details. And this allows you, especially if you're doing like corporate or organizational or university contacts, you can put in quite a bit of additional information. Yeah, my wife is the boss and my dog is the assistant. Actually, I should put in my dogs. I don't want them to have the other one feel left out. And so this is nice. You can also put in birthdays and anniversaries. And now I want to show you the second button. It's right here. It's called All Fields. Now, what's neat about this is it allows you to basically, you could go completely crazy entering information on, you know, certain people. And notice that frequently used, this gives you a lot of things that you might want to take a look at, see if you want to fill some things out. But if you go a little bit deeper, let's go down here to address fields. Go green, go white. Michigan State. I went there. All right. And if you also take a look down here at personal hobbies. Yeah, making these videos. Profession. Yeah, it is. It's still an open question, but we'll see what happens. And so I just wanted to show you this because as you can see, you can, you know, basically get in here and start really taking a look at the different kinds of things that are inside of here and really start adding in quite a bit of additional information related to, you know, the things that you're working on. And so you could really track a lot more information about the contact, if it's a client, if it's a customer, if it's a vendor, maybe even a coworker, and really be able to enhance the basic information you have right here. So that you can do quite a bit more with it. All right, well, get in, play around, try some of these things. Hey, by the way, notice one final little thing. If you get this thing set up, notice that you can go to business card, and this allows you to modify what you'll see right here. And always remember that you can then forward as a business card. So this is what you could forward to somebody else as your contact when you send it out to people. All right, I've given you way too much here. Hope you enjoyed this. Let's go back and finish this thing off. Once again, I'm Randy Dean. I'd like to say thank you for your time. And if you'd like to learn more about me and my programs, go out to my website, randalldean.com. Brand new website. That was the other thing I worked on over the holiday. Go check it out. We've done some major updates to the look and feel of my website. You'll probably start seeing some changes to my templates here when I do my videos pretty soon related to that. Obviously, if you like these videos, please give me a like, please subscribe, please make some comments. And if you want to get my series productivity PDF tip sheets on time, email, Outlook, Gmail and Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, smartphone and tablet, and distraction management, send me an email, randy@randalldean.com, put YouTube PDF in the subject line. Happy New Year. Thanks, everybody.